All right, so we're going to be doing dusting. We're going to be tossing old magazines and newspapers. So the tools that I use for this, I use a Swiffer duster and I just use a handle. And honestly, I just stick it in and I go. So some of the rules for this particular game is you don't want to necessarily move stuff. That's not it. So you're basically going around things. Don't worry about picking up things to dust them. We're just kind of getting high level cleaning. That's it. So, some areas that you may not have thought about is if you have a staircase, then in between the different slats on the staircase is something that you can do. If you can quickly grab the windowsills, then I would do that. But if it involves moving anything, then don't do it. So, I have technically two living rooms. I have the downstairs, which is what we usually use. I have a family room, which is upstairs. It is a hot mess, but that is okay. All we're going to do is do a really fast dusting. All right, so I'm taking a look at my time right here because I'm going to go, and that way I will know how much time I have left because I'm going to try to keep this at 10 minutes per activity. All right, ready? All right, go. Come on. Woo, this is too much fun. All right, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm just quickly getting the big stuff. Like I said, I am literally not moving stuff. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh, I don't know what y'all can see, to be honest with you, but I'm just kind of doing quickly to the top of my entertainment center. Whoa, this would be bad. Look how bad this is. Oh my goodness gracious. So we're just, ooh, that's so gross. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to be doing heavy duty clean. There we go. We're going to be doing a heavy duty cleaning of all these areas, but for now, we're just going to quickly run a duster around them. See how fast I'm going? That's how fast we need to do this. Oh, all right, I'm going to go ahead and get my staircase. There we go. Look, that's literally how fast we're going. Oh, I just lost it. Oh no. Oh, I have to go and put my duster back on. Ooh, I might have to put you down. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of time. So I don't think I put this in correctly. I didn't really secure it very well. There we go. Okay, let's keep going. There we go. So yeah, right in between these slats. And I'm not moving anything to do it. Some people like to use feather dusters. Fly Lady likes to use feather dusters, but then I find I have to shake it out, and I just don't do that. So, oh, this is so gross. All right, in between the slats. Yep. All right. So, I used to live stream this, and I might still do that because you're literally trying to work as fast as you can. All right. And I called it cardio clean, and because I mean you're literally running around like a crazy person. All right, how are we doing? Not bad. Wow. Ooh. Yes, I'm out of breath because I'm trying to go as fast as I can. All right. So here we go. All right, let's hit this. All right. Again, I'm just hitting the tops, not moving anything around. It is what it is. All right. I don't know if I can do much with this. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit. All right. Whew. Homegirl is out of breath. Oh. All right. So if this is not, if you have issues with this because of like, yeah, I'm out of breath. If you have issues with this because of like like you just can't do it because of your physical health, then you know what, that's okay. You don't necessarily need to take 10 minutes. It's up to you. The purpose, trying to see what else I can dust. Okay, I don't think anything in here is the dust. That might be it. Holy crap. Oh, I'm hot. I think that may be all I can do. No, it's not. Oh, why didn't I do this downstairs? Okay, so the point of it is just so that you don't get caught up in being getting too caught up in all the details of everything. I am not dusting that room. Nope, I will do that another day. So that way you don't get caught up in the details, because what will happen is you'll end up just picking up stuff, or it may be too daunting and you just won't get started. So right now I'm just kind of running my little duster over this. Yes, all that stuff should come off. See, there's a little dust bunny. All that stuff should come off, but I'm not doing that yet. Not yet. All right, where are we? How are we doing? I think I'm going to go and dust these dining room chairs. So as you can see, 10 minutes is actually a lot of time to do stuff. So you're going to find that over the course of this weekly home blessing that you may actually run out of time, or excuse me, you'll run out of things to dust. That's okay. Perfectly fine. So whenever we actually get to our deep cleaning, that's when we'll start moving things. That's when we'll actually do a much better job at dusting. But this is that way you don't have a bunch of stuff just accumulating major dust. That's why you're just kind of doing a high level sweep of this. Now, I found some dust. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit it because I found it. It needs to be cleaned, but hey, that was the first time that was dusted in a hot second. Not going to lie to you. The top of the refrigerator in the kitchen, that's going to be a little bit crazy. But you know what? I'm just going to kind of quickly hit it. There we go. Hit inside here. Boom. All right. This is looking really rough. This is working out really well for us. I do have these living room tables. I mean, it's kind of crazy. I'll just kind of do a little dusty dust. All that's going to be swept up, so yay. Some of this stuff hasn't been touched in a hot minute, so yeah, can't wait to take care of that. All right, we are at 9 minutes and 10 seconds. So I'm going to, since I have the time, I'm going to go ahead, just hit the top of the counters, bottom of the counters. Not necessary, but hey, since we're here, right, I have a little bit of time. Because you wouldn't believe the stuff that gets like weirdly dusty. So, all right. And one of the reasons why we want to do the dusting first is because that way when we do our sweeping and our vacuuming, that way it'll all be on the floor and we can sweep it or vacuum it. And yes, This usually does get whenever I'm doing this for the first time and it has been done in a long time, yes, it usually gets me going. My nose. All right, almost done. Oh yeah, there goes the nose. Honestly, anytime I think that's gonna be all I can do. Anytime I do something, any kind of movement, for whatever reason, my allergies start to kick in. All right. I am so sorry. I just dropped you. Whew. There we go. All right. I'm going to go ahead and throw this away. All right. Throw it away. All right. I'm going to take the time to throw this out. Well, not throw it out, but put it away. All right. Whew. All right. So I got 30 seconds left, guys. If you are doing this along with me, you have about 30 seconds left. 20 seconds. Whew. Okay. Feeling good about that. All right. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dusters down. Really good job, guys. Really good job. So next we're going to be moving into changing of the sheets.